pin manufacture in pin. Now आता चड अशी कॉमन ड्युअल पिन खंयची मटेरियल करतात त्याची आयडिया असता. Aluminum, which is a light, ductile, conductive and very resistant to oxidation. Aluminum एक metal. Brass is a strong, ductile, conductive, corrosion resistant and demonstrate low magnetic permeability. Brass also you can use as per the dual pin. Stainless steel has a high pressure rating. Stainless steel has a high pressure rating and it is chemical and corrosion resistant. Stainless steel is also a material you can use as a dual pin. Steel that is hardened and ground is compacted is to produce very hard to brittle metal, and it has gone through a hardening process such as a quenching or induction. Unhardened steel is more malleable, but it's still suitable for any application. Even normal steel also you can use as for the dual pin, but you have to give a heat treatment. You have to heat and give it cool karo, quenching or cooling karo, garam karo, cooling karo, it will get hardened. And without harden also can be used for the dual pin. And last is titanium is a strong with a good temperature and corrosion resistance, and it is a 44% lighter than the steel. Titanium metals dual pin you can also use, but titanium if a good use, the cost of that pin will become high. Cost what? Steel gain use kila normal, you can give a heat treatment. Stainless steel is also good, corrosion resistant and food grade metal. This also you can, but cost is also not high. Brass and aluminum reasonable price, you can go for whichever the way. So much salty environment, then you go for the brass metal. With this resistance to corrosion, you can use. Why it is going to use environment काम करता है, वो material design करता है. Now there are types of pin. We have straight well threaded fasteners, upper bearing housings, split hollow dual, and lower bearing housing. Straight dual pins are cylindrical pins that join two pieces together to prevent motion or slipping. But दोन्ही मध्ये अशी मूव जाता आणि त्यावर डायरेक्ट पिन घालतात तो मागीर मूव जायना, it get locked. Oversized dual pins are manufactured slightly over the nominal size. Nominal size माच मोठे करता and घालता and then you have to press it. Oversized dual. Underside dual pins are manufactured slightly under the nominal size. So whole diameter dual त्याचे माच कमी करता आणि तो प्रोडक्ट घालता. एखादा underside dual. Oversized मागीर whole size एक माच मोठा असता. Oversized. We are talking about only dual side now. Dual pin आपण inside. Pull down pin. So this is the one pull down pins is here. There are a lot of things here. So pull down pins have a threaded holes. This is the threaded holes in one end so that a screw can be inserted to help remove the pin from the blind hole. This is the pin. एक end एक threaded hole pin. ये तो भी गायल के and मैं देखता हूँ screw घालता. So threaded holes in one side so that screw can be inserted to help remove the pin. मैं तो screw किया है screw दोन जन काढपा मेटा pin बाहेर काढून. That is use of that. What is the purpose of this threaded in the dual pin?